Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel Java Programming. So in this session I'm going to explain the Java constructor. So we have three different kind of constructor. One is the default constructor, second is the no argument constructor, third is the parameterized constructor, or you could say the constructor with the arguments. So constructor is actually a special method which have the same name as the class name. Remember that the constructor name should be the same name as the class name, but it will not return any value. So for example, public class constructor example. So I will say public constructor example, right? And I will say public static void main system.out.println constructor example implementing system string array. So here I will say s constructor dot java right. So I can go here cls java c constructor example.java. Right, so this is how you define a constructor. So if I will go and compile it, it is running fine. And Java constructor C. So this is constructor with no argument, but you could uh, define your constructor with some argument as well. So for example, I would say int a and system dot out dot println plus a new a. If I compile it, right, it will run. But because I'm not calling this constructor, so obviously you will not see any value into it. But if I will call this class from some other place, I could definitely get that value. So if I run it, constructor example, because I'm not calling this constructor, remember I'm not calling this constructor. But let's see what happens when I'm just using this. I'm not calling this one. It is not declared anywhere, so it could give you that. It will give you the error. It's not the code, right? So it is not calling it. Remember this. So these are the two different examples. The default constructor is like if you will not define any constructor, for example, something like this. the JVM itself, and the constructor, which is a default constructor, which will be like internally something like this, right? If you define, it's good. If you will not, then JVM automatically do that. But how do we call any constructor, if it is there? So one way is like we could create the object constructor example x equal to new structure example, right? If I will pass 1 2 3, simply pass the argument. See, it is printing. So first it is printing this, and after that this one. So this is how you could pass it. Another way is like, if this is other class and I'm calling this particular class from other, some other example, then I could do that as well. So this is the end of this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for the more videos like this. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.